I'm going to teach how to make a very simple origami heart. This is a traditional model, and I think it's very easy for beginners. Let's go! Okay, I think the important thing once is you need a square paper or origami paper. Today I use a pink paper. The first step to make the heart origami paper is a fold in the half along rectangle, like this. Unfold it when you're done, and do the same with the other side. And the next step is to fold the left side to the middle, like this. And then flip the paper. Fold like this in the right side. And do the same in the left side. Wow, it looks like a house. And then flip the paper. And fold the right side of the paper to the middle and do same with the left side. And then fold like this. And the right side too. And then fold it like this. Wow, it's almost done. And then unfold and the right side, put in the left side's pocket. And the next, fold like this, and the right side, and a fold again, and the left side. Next, make a fold a little, like this, and ta-da! Origami heart is ready! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you!